Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your assistant teacher. As you all know that you have completed chapter 1 and 2 from history, and today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 3. Okay, the name of chapter is the age of farming. Here I have written here the chapter 3, the age of farming. Okay, in the first two chapters you have studied about the first chapter, that is included that is an approach towards the past, and second chapter, that is the stone age and earliest societies. Okay, so today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the age of farming. How the earliest people started their farming to do agriculture, and what new things they have discovered. Okay, so let us first in this chapter we will study, that is beginning of farming, first topic, and second topic, that is domestication of animals, and third, invention of the wheel, and then after invention of the wheel, beginning of settled life and Neolithic tools, and also other topics which we will study in this chapter, that is pottery, life of the people, and Chalcolithic age, use of metals. Okay, these are the topics which we will study in this chapter. Okay, so let's start our new chapter, chapter 3, page number 22. Okay, beta. So open your book. As we know, human beings lived a nomadic life, as you have studied earlier in other two chapters, that in the previous people used to live a nomadic life, means moving from one place to another place, means not settle at one place as we settle today, isn't it? Today we settle at one place, but in the earliest time they used to move from one place to another place. Okay, lived a nomadic life for thousands of years, and this type of, means which type of nomadic type of life, they used to live thousands of years. Okay, at that time they were hunters and gatherers. What means at that time, means when they used to live a nomadic life, at that time they used to live as a hunter and a food gatherer. During the New Stone Age, which is also known as Neolithic Age, during the New Stone Age, and the another name for New Stone Age is Neolithic Age. Around 10,000 years ago, early humans began to produce their own food and lead a settled life. And what happens around during New Stone Age, 10,000 years ago, early human beings, they started to produce their own food for eating, and also they started to live a settled life. Changes in climate played a very important role at that time. Means during that time, means during New Stone Age time, climate also played very important role. Means changes in climate also played very important role. Means वातावरण में, क्लाइमेट में, जलवायु में भी चेंजेस बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता था, very important role at that time. A large portion of the earth's surface was covered with ice sheets, and that time a large portion means बहुत ज़्यादा area covered with a ice sheet. In the beginning of the Neolithic age, when this earth was covered with ice sheet, at the time of Neolithic age, the earth was covered with ice sheets. Okay, due to climate change, what happened? Because of climate, जलवायु के चेंज होने का की की वजह से द आइस मेल्टेड एंड दीज एरियाज बिकेम हैबिटेबल and when time passes away ice become started to melt and after the melting of ice these area became fit for live means habitable. This area is become very habitable means रहने लायक योग्य जगह बन गई. Warm climate was best suited for means गर्म जलवायु that is fit for the or best suited for crops and habitation. This type of climate is best for living as well as for growing crops. Okay beta. As a result, dry areas became open grasslands and the dry areas converted into dry grasslands and forest became dense and forest areas also started to become dense. Okay, now let's start that beginning of farming. When they used to start their farming, let us come to know. Agriculture was the greatest discovery of the Neolithic age. Means न्यू स्टोन एज में एग्रीकल्चर का डिस्कवरी होना बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट था. ग्रेटेस्ट एग्रीकल्चर was the greatest discovery of the Neolithic age. During this period, early humans learned the technique of sowing seeds. During this period means इस समय काल में लोगों ने they comes to know how to sow their seeds, growing plants and finally harvesting them. These three things they come to know during Neolithic age. With which three things they come to know in during Neolithic age? Sowing of seeds, growing plants and also they come to know about harvesting them. Okay, they must have learned this accidentally. They have not tried but they learned all these things accidentally by chance. मतलब अचानक में हो गया, उन्होंने तय नहीं किया था कि हमें ये करना है. एक्सीडेंटली दिस हैपन एक्सीडेंटली और बाय ऑब्जर्विंग द प्लांट्स ग्रोइंग इन द वाइल्ड. और मे बी उन्होंने जंगलों में वॉच किया होगा कि कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे उगते हैं. ओके, द फर्स्ट क्रॉप्स टू बी कल्टिवेटेड वेयर wheat and barley. अंडरलाइन दिस बेटा. द which crop first they grow? First crops which they come to know or cultivated were barley and wheat. As time passed and when some slowly time started to pass, then what happened? Early humans began to grow more crops and they were more excited and they started to grow more and more crops. These changed their lifestyle and when they started to grow more and more crops, their lifestyle also changed. Now they settled at one place and grow crops, and when they come to know and also their lifestyle changed, they started to or they decided to settle at one place and also started to grow more and more crops. They left their nomadic life because they had to take care of their crops. Why they left, give up the nomadic life? Because they had to look after their crops. उन्हें अपने crops की देख रेख करनी थी. That's why they give up the nomadic life. As a result, they settled down and started a normal life with regular food supply. And after this, they started to settle life, or they started to live a settled life, and also they also started normal life with supplying of food. They made mud houses near the fields and also for to live they need some places now to hide themselves. They need some places. For that they started to build up or construct kacha houses or houses made up of mud. They made mud houses near the fields. They were so clever. They started to make their houses near their field, not far away from their field, but near from their field, and settled there till the crops were harvested. And also they started to settle at that place where they started to cultivate their crop. They started to settle at that place only to look after their crops till crops were harvested. This change in lifestyle did not take place suddenly, and these changes did not take suddenly. अचानक में तो कोई चीज नहीं हुई. Slowly they started. It was spread over a long time, and it takes a long time for settle such type of life. Even while cultivating crops, humans still hunted and gathered food. When they started cultivate crops, that time also they started, they not stop their hunting and gathering of food. Archaeologists, they have found evidences of early farmers. आर्कोलॉजिस्ट हैव फाउंड, उन्हें सबूत मिल गया. किसका सबूत मिल गया? ऑफ द अर्ली ह्यूमन फार्मर्स एंड हर्डर्स. हर्डर्स फार्मिंग किसान, एंड हर्डर्स मीन चारवाओं की. दे हैव फाउंड आउट एविडेंस, प्रूफ्स उनको मिल गया. प्रूफ, दे हैव गॉट प्रूफ ऑल ओवर द सब कॉन्टिनेंट. ऑल ओवर द उपमहाद्वीप में उन्हें एक सबूत मिल गया. The most important ones are in the northwest. The most important evidence or proofs they have got that was in the northwest, in present day Kashmir, and in east and south India. So here some places are mentioned where they have grown first grain as well as the places. First wheat, Mehergarh in Pakistan, Gufkral and Barzham in present day Kashmir, Chirand in Bihar. These are the places. See here. Okay. Now next topic, that is domestication of animals. How they started, means क्या होता है, पालतू जानवरों को कैसे उन्होंने पालना स्टार्ट किया. Okay. So let's see here. Humans of the Neolithic age means new stone age people. Okay, got it beta? Neolithic period means new stone age. Humans of the Neolithic period started to domesticate animals. They started to means जानवरों को पालतू बनाने का काम शुरू किया. The dog was probably the first animal to be tamed, and the first animal which they tamed, that was a dog. उन्होंने पहला जानवर किसको पाला? डॉग को पाला. They were very clever. Later other animals like goats and sheep were also domesticated, and secondly they started to domesticate sheep and goats. As a result, there was a continuous supply of milk and related product. They were and also they started the production of continuous production of milk, and also the things or products related to milk, and also of meat, and also they get meat. Fishing and hunting also began, and also they started fishing as well as hunting is already continued. Some animals were used in agriculture and transportation, and also see how clever they were. Some animals they started as ट्रांसपोर्ट मीन्स उन्होंने कुछ जानवरों को पालतू बनाया, एंड ऑल्सो दे some animal they used in agricultural purposes, and some animal they used in transportation. Okay, I think you got all the points today which I taught you. So tomorrow we will start next topic, that is invention of the wheel. Okay, so today only this much. Thank you, beta.